You're watching WMAR 2 News with Chief Meteorologist Lynette Charles.
Good morning, Maryland. Happy Friday on this Friday. Oh, yeah, you see it behind me. Some blue coming in across the area already this morning. Yes, this is all courtesy of a front. I'll show you that in a matter of moments. But let's just go ahead and zoom in on some of these areas. We can see it back off to the north and west. Not a whole lot of snow, some light snow happening. And just let me know what you are seeing out there this morning. We can see this around Westminster, around New Windsor right now. I want to make sure this is actually coming down, hitting the ground. We're not dealing with virga. Virga is basically precipitation, snow that evaporates before it actually reaches the ground. So we'll see if this is coming all the way down. The reason why we're seeing it on the radar, though, is because of this cold front. So this is prefrontal showers that we are getting this morning, snow showers, and then we will have more action, more snow coming in from an area of low pressure that's going to ride up the coast as we go in through the afternoon. This is what we're working with because we will have that snow out there as we go through the afternoon. Let's start you out with the higher amounts, and this is going to occur across the eastern shore. So we can see all the areas here shaded in the pink coloring. This is a winter storm warning that we're working with here. It begins at this afternoon, evening time frame at 7 and lingers until 7 o'clock on your Saturday evening. And then we head over towards Severn, around Baltimore, Annapolis. So portions of Baltimore County and all of Anne Arundel County really going to be dealing with these winter weather advisories as we go in through 4 o'clock into your Saturday at 1 o'clock. And once again, take it all in. All the areas here shaded in the purple coloring. So if you are in Cecil County, if you're in southern Harford County, and also southern Baltimore County, and we're even clipping in portions of Howard County. As we go throughout the day, be aware of the totals that you are going to get in these areas. So where you're looking at those winter weather advisories, that's where we have about 1 to 3 inches of snow falling for today into your Saturday. And then as we go over towards the eastern shore where the winter storm warnings are, that's when we'll see about 3 to 6 inches of snow there. And then maybe about a trace to an inch further off to the north and west you go, where we weren't dealing with any type of advisories or winter storm warnings. Now, with that said, again, these totals are really involved in that area of low pressure that's going to be bringing the snow a little later this afternoon. But we had that snow out there this morning, so that could adjust those totals a bit, make them a little bit higher, especially back off to the north and the west. In terms of the temperatures, we have numbers that are in the 20s and the 30s this morning. If you're comparing it to yesterday, yes, we are much warmer compared to yesterday at this time, but it's still cold out there, and it's going to be dangerously cold. We'll have dangerously cold wind chills as we go into the weekend. It's going to be quite blustery as we head into Saturday, with gusts up to about 40 miles an hour before it's all said and done. And because of that, we are talking about some very cold wind chills out there. So be prepared to wake up to wind chills on Sunday below 0. It is going to be dangerously, ridiculously cold out there, just warning you. So there's that area of low pressure. This is the one that's really going to kick in and bring us that snow as we go into about 4 o'clock this afternoon. But the worst of it, like I always say, it can always be worse, and it's not going to be for us. Blizzard conditions will be off to the north and east as we continue through the rest of today into tomorrow. They're going to be bearing the brunt of the storm. So we continue with watching where this is going to be and overspreading the area by 7 o'clock, and it will linger until about 1 o'clock in the afternoon on your Saturday. This is what that 7-day forecast looks like. I'll just go ahead and jump to Wednesday, Groundhog Day. Liz, I know you like that. 52, we'll take that.